In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and update in Notion databases using make.com, formerly known as Integromat. Whether you're a workspace, whiz, or just starting out, integrating make.com with Notion can streamline your workflow and make managing databases easier. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide to getting your databases updated through this versatile platform. First, you want to head over to make.com. This is your essential hub for connecting various apps and automating workflows seamlessly. Once you arrive on the homepage, ensure you're logged into your account. If you haven't set one up yet, it's quite straightforward and self-explanatory. After logging in, you'll be presented with the dashboard that gives you access to creating new scenarios, which is what we'll be focusing on today. Next, find and click on the plus sign. This plus sign is your gateway to adding a new scenario, a crucial process for linking Notion to your make.com account. Clicking the plus icon will prompt you to search for apps to connect. Today, we're specifically looking for Notion, which you can easily find by typing its name in the search bar provided. After clicking on Notion, the next task is to select the appropriate module for your intended task. For updating a Notion database, you'll want to click on Update Data Source Item. This module will allow you to link the Notion database and make the necessary updates directly from make.com. It's a handy tool for keeping everything synchronized without the hassle of manually adjusting entries one by one. Once you've selected the Update Data Source item, make.com will prompt you with on-screen instructions. These steps guide you through linking your Notion account to make.com safely and securely. It's essential to follow these prompts carefully to enable a successful integration. Be sure to authenticate your Notion account when prompted, as this is key to ensuring that make.com has the correct permissions to access and update your Notion database. As you follow the on-screen prompts, you might notice there are different customization options depending on the database setup you have on Notion. This flexibility allows you to tailor the automation process according to your specific needs. Make sure to adjust any settings or mappings so they align with the fields in your Notion database correctly. And there you have it, a versatile way to keep your Notion databases up to date using make.com. Remember, automation is not just about saving time, but also about increasing productivity by reducing repetitive tasks. With make.com, you ensure consistent data updation, enhancing your workflow efficiency. Feel free to explore other integrations and see how make.com can benefit other parts of your digital life as well. Thanks for watching and happy automating.